Will Modi make India a Hindu Rashtriya? Let's try to dig out with the facts. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh mentored Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi plans to convert India as a Hindu Rashtriya at the cost of communal diversity of the country. Muslims are 14.23% of the total population, over 200 million in India. They are being subdued across the length and breadth of the country. Gujarat pogrom, Delhi riots, Babri Mosque demolition, Samjhauta Express, etc. are not the isolated incidents. Recent broad daylight murder of Atiq Ahmed and his brother Ashraf in Allahabad by Hindu extremists while they were in the police custody reveals the audacity of the Hindu goons. Dalits are over 20.14 million population in India. They are being treated as subhumans when seen frequency of rape, molestation of the Dalit women, harassment, murder of Dalit men and social discrimination against them. They cannot use the water tape in the Brahmins use. Christians are 28 million, 2.3% of the total population of India. They are being persecuted sequel to anti-conversion law passed by the BJP-ruled states. The bishops, religious leaders are being attacked and churches vandalized. Even nuns are being raped in India. Manipur, Indian state, has 41.39% Hindus, 41.29% Christians and 8.4% Muslims. The ST population predominantly Christians. Manipur is being targeted for its opposition to the High Court decision of likely award of ST status to Metis community, predominantly the Hindus. Tribal population has under Article 371C protected the privileges like the job quotas, admissions in educational institutes and bar on non-scheduled tribes Metis from buying land in the hill districts.